Lesson 2. Changex's CeDeFi model. At its core, Changex is a personal finance management application. The unique thing about this project, as I've mentioned in the previous lesson, is that it employs a CeDeFi model and aims to combine the core benefits related to both centralized as well as decentralized finance. On the CeFi end of the deal, users of Changex can expect to enjoy such convenient features as a true account from the comfort of their own wallet, a dedicated crypto debit card, as well as super simple crypto to fiat and fiat to crypto conversions. These traditional finance features come combined with some core elements of DeFi, a non-custodial wallet model, which means that you're the only one who has access to your wallet's assets, staking and lending features, as well as multi-chain crypto support and quick swaps between different cryptocurrencies. So, Changex does have passive earning opportunities, such as the aforementioned staking, which is often a big requirement for individuals who are looking for alternative crypto banking solutions. However, the debit card shouldn't be glanced over either. You'll be able to use it with countless different merchants, having complete freedom of choice of which asset it is that you'd like to spend. Users of Changex are able to enjoy all of these features and more on a single standalone app. This means that you'll essentially be able to manage your fiat money as well as your crypto in the same place. This is something that adds a lot of convenience to the entire ordeal. The traditional centralized finance part cannot be understated here, however. Changex acts as any other traditional banking platform when it comes to your daily financial processes, such as paying bills, shopping online, or even receiving your salary. This, combined with the fact that the entire platform is completely non-custodial, is one of the main features of the financial management app in question.